So here we go. First test. We have our webcam going and all the settings are dialed in, which is really cool, man, because I don't have as much lag anymore. It's not like all fuzzy and whatnot. And then I also have the camera going up top right here, which I don't know if I look at the camera lens, this one is here and that one is there. Oh, which I have to like hit record on that one too. Alright, here we go. Now we got all three of them going. The webcam right in front of me, which is working really good. I have a monitor right here in front of me that I can watch as well and see like what the camera sees right here. So if I was looking at this lens right here, that one's right there, and then this camera is right here. So I got like three cameras going right now, man. Three cameras. And they all kind of have like a different, a slightly different profile. So like I don't know how this is gonna work out with the color grading. But honestly, when I look at the DJI and the camera itself, it seems like those are pretty decently adjusted. It feels like my exposure on this guy right here is a little high. And that's probably because I wasn't planning on turning on the light this bright, but by that camera being further away, which is the phone camera, it seemed to be a little bit darker in it. Now, yeah, I could adjust that, but honestly, I don't want to mess with the settings too much. Um, and I like the one in the webcam. Even though it's like brighter, I kind of like that aesthetic, to be honest. Not going to be zooming in on this one. All the zooming in and whatnot's going to happen on the other two devices right there. So one's going to be like a little bit of a side profile, zooming in, whatever the case may be. And whether I'm like right here, yeah. Which at this point, I wonder like what I look like in the phone, to be honest. Because I'm already getting pretty dark in a webcam like this. Seems like the light doesn't reach that much. And I actually have the environment light turned off. So it'd probably be smarter if I was going to be in the back here to actually have my room light going. But yeah, I just wanted to see like what that looks like in all the cameras so I can check it out, check it out. Yeah, buddy. But yeah, I don't really have much more other stuff to like really showcase. A little bit of a turning mechanism so we can see the background like I had planned. See what my face and what I look like. Still have a little some environment light coming in from the outside, so that is also lighting me up a little bit more so. So like I don't know. This looks pretty good and pretty bright, honestly. Like this, but yeah. That shall do it for my first try. Alrighty.